Just a second, please. Hello. Hello. Yes. Yes, Pitogatos. Yes, the property in which city there is?
I'm the director, sometimes he's the director.
Η Νέα Φλογιτά, in Halkidiki, in North Greece. In Halkidiki, in North Greece. Yes. Where are you from? Which Macedonia? Macedonia is one Greek and Orthodox.
Okay, North Macedonia.
No. There are no North Macedonia. Macedonia is one and is Greek. You are coming from Skopje. Okay. In our company, we are not servicing outsiders of Greece. We have Greek company and we are serving only Greeks. Also, you are from Skopje. You must learn your history. Okay? When you will learn your history, you will call us again to tell us, I'm sorry, I make a bad mistake. Okay? Now I'm in Australia, but if I've been in Greece, I never saw this house. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. Bye.